All right, we are standing in front of a big boy project, the Mansory Cullinan Series 2. Let me explain to you how amazing this project is because of the colorway. This is probably my favorite one. You guys know we have done Tempest Grey, which is this color, with a light blue. We have done black with red interior. We've also done a black with blue interior. This is Tempest Grey with forge yellow, which is not yellow and it's not orange. It's right between it. It is such a great colorway, honestly, in my opinion, because I'm tired of the Mandarin orange. It's too orange, and they have another yellow that's like too light. So this is beautiful, amazing color. Full Mansory forged carbon fiber kit, the full package. You have full fender replacements. This is not your typical little insert. This is all one-piece carbon fiber. You see carbon everywhere. The flares, carbon on top of the flares as well. The new Mansory kit has a significant amount of parts. You have the whole hood in forged carbon, the top of the grille. We even have the front of the face of the grille in forged carbon as well. As you can see, the entire front bumper with all the black grills and trims from Mansory. We also put yellow inside all of these slits. So all the slits have yellow inside of them. All yellow inside. And as you can see, it's lit up right now. A lot of the ways people have been wiring this is not the correct way. They only turn on the lights when it's arming and disarming the alarm system on the car, or locking, unlocking. We have it on all the time when the lights are on. So daytime running lights are on, everything's on, as you can see. You got the beautiful forge yellow custom painted Spirit of Ecstasy. You also have the emblems in black and yellow as well to match. So that front end right there is like royalty. It looks insane. Nothing else like it on the streets when you do it like this. Really, really sick. And then we'll go to the wheels, 26-inch custom wheels right here. Amazing. Obviously, many people do the 24s. On the Cullinans, 26s look insane. 30 series tire again. Drives great. 30 series tires, not the little ones. So you got the big boy wheels and tires right there. The full Mansory kit on the side. If it does not have this Mansory logo embossed into the rocker panel, it's fake. So just so you guys know, that's a good telltale sign. Also, Mansory light up on the fender. Look at that. Looks crazy. These door panels right here, all carbon. We painted it to have this exposed trim right there. It looks really nice. Black and yellow Mansory logo emblems throughout, hand painted. So you see this is all usually chrome and black. We hand paint that yellow to match the whole theme of the car. You got the D pillars in forged carbon, the roof spoiler, the trunk spoiler, got that really crazy rear end with the bumper. And this is a center exhaust car. So you got the conversion, no more left-right exhaust. This is center exhaust. Light up trunk trim, forged carbon again, and it lights up super bright. Emblem again. And then you even have the yellow emblems on the exhaust tips. So really, really crazy. And then we got this really cool exhaust remote system from Mansory. So you could go from quiet to loud. So you're not going to hear it now. We'll give you guys a little clip of that. With the switch, it's instant, and you can go from quiet to loud. It's not super loud, but definitely louder. So incredible car. Let me show you guys quickly also the interior. Oh, I also forgot, we got this hand painted pinstripe forged yellow as well, so you can show off all of those trims. But look at that interior. Crazy, crazy, crazy car. If I was to have a Cullinan, this would probably be it. The black ones don't really show this $300,000 body kit you're adding on there. The Tempest Grey really shows all of it, so it's really, really nice. And you know, the wheels also, they're not black. The wheels are a dark smoked finish. So we give it, you know, it kind of goes with the forged carbon theme. So a lot of small, unique details on this car make it look the way it is. You guys have seen Mansory Cullinans before, and they all kind of look the same. When you come to us, you get all the differences, you get all the details, you get the right jobs, the lineups, the colorway is crazy. Tempest Grey is hard to color match. We are color matching it perfectly. So proud to report that. We have a white with Tiffany blue one that we're gonna be building also, so that's gonna be crazy. That's in the works right now. A lot going on here. Hope you guys enjoy this one.
Car to tow. It's so low, very dangerous.
Under here? No.
Air pressure is not calibrated. Nice. Loading up the Rivalto was very hard. That thing is very, very low, an inch or an inch and a half off the ground. Plus, it's very wide and there's a kid on it. So yeah, I got dizzy helping the tow truck driver on that one. Now we have car number 2. This one's not that much easier, but we have another SF90 that has to go right behind that one, so he can take them both to the client's house. Here we go. We have a Lamborghini SVJ here, guys. So we took the wing off. Let me explain to you in detail what we did. It's a very big project. Took the wing off. We clear brought the wing, and we're putting it back. That's pretty much it. Other than that, the car is looking good. Everything's ready. John is taking care of it, doing the installation. He's very fast, so by the time you know it, it's in and out. Yeah, he's quick. So that's about it. We also did some repairs on the front of this car. While putting it back together, we're gonna put the trunk lid back together as well. And after that, I think that's about it.
It's not the point cut something when it's well. When you can change a couple things. When it looks
I don't know
bad.
what the f you're talking about.
You know what I'm talking about. I told you many times, change the tires. So you blame somebody else. You cannot take the clown. Delete that. Too late. Too late.
Usted sabe que yo lo quiero mucho. ¿No?
¿Para qué quiere que le dé mano después de que me está diciendo que soy una M?
A ver. No empieza con M, es con P.
For a Mansory kit.
Still drives. The customer's okay. That's what's important. So we'll see what's gonna happen. All right, guys. Bye.
How's it closing? Does the soft closing still work? Let's check.
Yeah. It works. Good.
The rear door's nice. Oh.
Hey, it should hurt. Oh.